The 2024 Volkswagen ID Buzz is set to electrify the minivan segment with its scheduled release in the United States come June 2024. Built on the versatile MEB platform, which also underpins the ID.4 SUV and ID.3 hatchback, this all-electric minivan showcases Volkswagen's commitment to sustainable mobility. Potential buyers will have the choice between two distinct body styles, a short-wheelbase version designed for passengers and a long-wheelbase variant optimized for cargo. The former comfortably accommodates up to 7 individuals, while the latter boasts an impressive cargo space of 144 cubic feet, catering to various needs. Under the hood, or more accurately, at the rear, the ID Buzz houses an electric motor churning out 201 horsepower and a torque of 229 pound-feet. For those desiring enhanced traction and performance, a dual-motor all-wheel drive system will be available as an upgrade. Powering this electric marvel is a 91 kilowatt-hour battery pack, promising a commendable range of up to 330 miles on a full charge. Moreover, for those on the go, the ID Buzz offers a swift charging solution, replenishing its battery from 5% to 80% in just about 30 minutes when hooked to a DC fast charger. Inside, the ID Buzz doesn't skimp on features. Standard offerings include a sizable 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a crisp 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, a panoramic sunroof that bathes the cabin in natural light, and a hands-free power liftgate for added convenience. While the exact price tag remains under wraps, early indications hint at a starting price hovering in the mid-$58,000, positioning the ID Buzz as a competitive option in the electric vehicle market. Inside, drivers are greeted with a sizable 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, ensuring all entertainment and navigation needs are met. Complementing this is the crisp 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, which provides vital driving information in a clear and concise manner. Adding to the spacious feel of the minivan is the panoramic sunroof. It not only bathes the cabin in natural light but also offers passengers a unique view of the sky, making every journey more enjoyable. The hands-free power liftgate ensures easy access to the vehicle's rear, especially when one's hands are full. A simple gesture is all it takes to open or close the liftgate, making loading and unloading a breeze. The passenger variant of the ID Buzz boasts a seating capacity for up to 7 individuals, ensuring every journey is a comfortable one. On the other hand, the cargo model offers a whopping 144 cubic feet of space, catering to various storage needs, from business deliveries to family road trips. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.